Most people think cinnamon is just something you sprinkle on oatmeal or add to desserts. But what if that small jar in your kitchen could do a lot more than you expect? Some people are using cinnamon in surprisingly smart ways around the house and in their daily routine, and a few of these simple tricks actually make life easier. Cinnamon is one of the most common spices in American kitchens, but many people only use it for baking. The truth is, cinnamon has been used for generations in cooking, home habits, and simple wellness routines. It's affordable, easy to find, and surprisingly versatile. In this video, we're going to look at cinnamon hacks that really work in real life. These are simple tips you can try without buying anything fancy. By the end, you'll probably start using cinnamon in ways you never thought about before. Let's start with a hack that many people love, especially in the morning. Adding cinnamon to your breakfast can make simple foods taste better and feel more satisfying. A small sprinkle on oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even coffee can add warmth and flavor without needing extra sugar. Many people are trying to cut back on added sugar, and cinnamon can help with that. Because it has a naturally sweet taste, it can make foods feel sweeter without actually adding sugar. Over time, this small habit can make healthier breakfasts easier to stick with. Another useful cinnamon trick is adding it to snacks that might otherwise feel a little boring. For example, sliced apples with a little cinnamon on top can turn into a quick, tasty snack. Some people also sprinkle it on peanut butter toast or mix it into cottage cheese. This works especially well in the afternoon when people usually reach for sugary snacks. A little cinnamon can make healthier choices feel more enjoyable. Small upgrades like this can make a big difference in everyday eating habits. Now let's talk about coffee. A lot of people drink coffee every day, but many load it with sugar or flavored syrups. One simple hack is adding a pinch of cinnamon directly into the coffee grounds before brewing or stirring it into the cup. This can add a subtle flavor that feels cozy and comforting. Some people say it even makes their coffee feel smoother. It's a tiny change, but if you drink coffee daily, it can quickly become one of your favorite habits. Cinnamon can also be helpful in the kitchen when cooking savory meals. Many people think cinnamon is only for sweets, but it works surprisingly well in certain dinner recipes. It's often used in chili, roasted vegetables, and even slow-cooked meats. Adding just a small amount can deepen the flavor of a dish. You don't need much at all, just a pinch. Once people try this, they often realize cinnamon can make meals taste richer and more balanced. Here's another interesting hack that people don't always expect. Some home cooks mix cinnamon into homemade seasoning blends. For example, it can be added to spice mixes for roasted nuts, sweet potatoes, or baked squash. This works great if you're trying to eat more whole foods and cook at home more often. When meals taste better, people are more likely to keep healthy habits going. Cinnamon can be a simple tool that makes that easier. Another interesting use is using cinnamon to help freshen parts of the home. Some people simmer cinnamon sticks in water on the stove, similar to how they use other natural scents. As the steam rises, it fills the room with a warm, cozy smell. This is especially popular during cooler months or when guests are coming over. It's a natural way to make your home smell inviting without strong sprays. Many people are surprised how well this simple trick works. Cinnamon can also be part of a calming evening routine. Some people add a small pinch of cinnamon to warm milk or herbal tea at night. The warm drink combined with the gentle flavor can help create a relaxing moment before bed. Of course, good sleep also depends on habits like reducing screen time and having a consistent bedtime, but small rituals like this can signal to your body that it's time to slow down. Over time, these routines can support better rest. Here's another practical hack for people who like meal prep. If you prepare overnight oats or smoothie packs, adding cinnamon ahead of time can make the flavors blend really well. By the next day, the taste is smooth and balanced. Meal prep works best when the food still feels exciting to eat. Cinnamon can help with that because it adds flavor without extra calories or complicated ingredients. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make to healthy meals. But here's the most surprising thing about cinnamon that many people overlook. The real power of cinnamon isn't just one trick. It's how easily it fits into multiple parts of your daily routine at the same time. When people start using cinnamon regularly, they often end up eating better breakfasts, enjoying healthier snacks, cooking more at home, and even creating small, relaxing routines. It becomes part of a lifestyle shift without feeling difficult. Instead of making huge changes all at once, small habits like this add up. A sprinkle here, a pinch there, and suddenly your meals taste better and your routines feel more enjoyable. That's why cinnamon is one of those simple ingredients people keep coming back to. So, if you have cinnamon sitting in your kitchen right now, you might want to start using it more often. Add it to breakfast, mix it into snacks, try it in coffee, or even experiment with it in dinner recipes. You can also use it to create a warm, cozy feeling in your home, or add it to relaxing evening drinks. Simple habits like this can make healthy living feel easier and more enjoyable. And the best part is, you don't need expensive products or complicated plans. Sometimes the smallest ingredients can make the biggest difference. If you enjoyed these cinnamon hacks, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and kitchen tips that actually work. I share ideas that help you improve everyday habits in easy ways. And I'm curious about something. Do you usually use cinnamon only for desserts, or would you try adding it to your daily meals and drinks? Let me know in the comments.